try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Aprilia Racing's lead in the Teams Championship is down to 2 points. Ducati Lenovo team picking up 41 points today with Bagnaia and Miller first and third. They pulled clear of Monster Energy Yamaha MotoGP, who are third, just 11 points now ahead of Pramac Racing. Red Bull KTM Factory Racing hold fifth ahead of Team Suzuki X-Star, with Grassini Racing in seventh after Bastianini scored them their first top six since Di Gianantonio at Mugello. The Independent Teams Championship is still firmly in the control of Pramac Racing, 59 points clear of Grassini Racing MotoGP. Mooney VR46 got both riders home in the points today. They are still comfortably in third. As far as LCR Honda are concerned, 3 points today for Taka Nakagami. They're in a fairly comfortable and lonely fourth position, with Yamaha RNF still on 20 points, and Tech 3 KTM Factory Racing also failing to score today. And the Constructors' Championship firmly in control of Ducati. They look on course for a third consecutive Constructor crown. They're 91 points clear now of Yamaha, with Aprilia 5 points further back in third. KTM comfortably clear of Suzuki in fourth, with Honda still 12 short of the 100 mark in sixth.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.